Okay, something just came in for me, and it's my Louis Vuitton Speedy. Uh, Here's the box. Hey man. Just gonna try to do an unboxing. I think I might have done other unboxings, but for my Chanel white bag, my white Chanel top handle. I think I'm not sure which one. I think it was the mini. It was the Chanel mini in white. I unboxed. But here's this. What I ordered. I would love for Sajine to come see this. She brought the wow, so pretty. Here's the strap. Here's the change. The coin purse. Oh my god, this is olive green. This feels so weird. This feels so weird. Would it look good on my skin? And here is this. They didn't send a box. They didn't send they only sent a box for the strap. They didn't send. Oh, it's a lot. It's a lot. Here's this. Just yeah. It's a lot. It looks smaller than what I thought it was gonna be. Saj! Saj! Here it is. Come here. Come.
That's it?
Yeah, that's my video. I'm just gonna video about it.
Oh, this is pretty.
Check it out. I got a new strap too.
Where's the strap? This is cute. How much? Ooh. That's a nice strap, guy.
And this.
Where's the strap to this one? These are cute. This one is what I could rock. This one reminds me of those Asian bougie bitches.
It comes with a little key.
They all have a Louis Vuitton.
It comes with a little key. Check, like a little locket. I seen it on other people's thing. They're saying that.
I'll be right back. I need a small pen.
Am I what?
You coming for a small? Oh,
yeah. You're not gonna finish to see this?
After, I need to log in.
Okay, that was it. There we are. Oh my god. That's the little locket that comes, look. It was in this box here. That's the little key in the locket that comes in. It's pretty small. I thought it was gonna be bigger. I thought it would have been bigger. Speedy 25 bandolier monogram print. Okay, let me take off this part. Okay, I betcha I'm gonna do a video of when Sajine wants to borrow this. It's only a matter of time where she wants to borrow this. Cause she is my other Louis Vuitton purse. Yeah, here is the locket. So cute, right? think it says LV right here. Right there. Hey, it's smaller than I thought it would have been bigger. Okay. And here's the strap. And I'm not gonna try it on right now. It says Louis Vuitton right there, here on this side, and on this side, and on the other clap too. Wonder if it says anything on the buckle. Oh my god, that was so awaited for. Oh my god. I'm so happy. She like came up to me and she's like, here. And I was like, what? Because I already checked twice today. I checked the mail twice. So she came up to me and she's like, she called my name and I was like, what? She's like, come here. And I opened the door. As I walked towards the door, I was like, please be my purse. Because this purse I've ordered ever since the first. But, yeah. So I checked twice, didn't find it, and she came and it was there. I thought this would have been bigger. This is nice. I like this. I wonder where it says made in France. Right here it says 25. There's a corner. It's supposed to say made in France in a corner of the bag. That's what everybody was saying. Oh, it smells good. Like really leathery. I love it. Hold on. Yep, that was the Speedy unboxing. I kind of want to give Sajine my change purse. Because her birthday was like 2 days ago. 2 or 3 days ago. And that little Louis Vuitton change purse, it just kind of makes me kind of ache a bit, you know? Here it is. Let's open that up. See, all here says Louis Vuitton. All here says Louis Vuitton. This is Louis Vuitton. No. But, yeah. It says made in France. I started by having the other one that was like fake. If I could find it, then I would give it to you. I would show it to you. Here's the fake one. And here's the real one. So weird, right? I like the fake one. It's so similar to the real one. I just keep my jewelry in there. But I'm happy I got the real one. You know. Anyway, I'm gonna get off. And that was my unboxing. Oh, and here's this. I forgot to show. I got a strap also. An olive green strap. I swear on the camera it looked kind of like grayish. It looked more of a grayish type of bluish green, like a bluish gray green. This is more of an army green, like olive slash kind of army type of green. Yeah, but this bag is really cute. I really like this. Oh my god. I even dreamed about it too. Cause I dreamed, what was it that I dreamed about? Megan Trainor made you look. Ooh, that Daria girl. Anyway, T Kopi, Daria T Kopi. I'm gonna go. I'm loving this. So all together, I thought they would have sent me like a bigger box. Like they would have put both. Like they sent this box with the strap and the change purse. And they just sent this like in a bag. They didn't box it or anything. But I mean, there it is. There's the purse. I'm gonna change into it. I'm gonna switch to it and we'll see. Right? I thought it would have been way bigger. Because where's my other Louis Vuitton? Okay, I'm gonna show you this. Yeah, I can't find this. Oh, here it is. I thought it would have been like, because I have a Speedy Nano with different print on each side. I have this. And now here is the Speedy 25. Yeah. I thought it would have been more like this. Kind of like a darker type of leather. But the leather is supposed to change color without you wearing it. Like, with time, the leather is supposed to turn like light brown. But yeah, because it's like untreated leather, or yeah, but yeah, there's my unboxing. So yeah, I'm gonna go because it's been a long time already, but they didn't send the box for this. Like, I like the Louis Vuitton boxes. They're like really cute. I have like 2 others. They're super cute. The way they're like an orangey yellow. Super cute. But yep. So I'm gonna go off.